This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Thursday, June 1st. I'm Dylan B. Spillin. As the school year winds down, you know it's championship season, and Maury has some real contenders. In tennis, the Maury boys were thumped 5-0 by Deep Run in the Region 5A South Team Championship. However, they qualified for next week's state championship tournament. The news was better in the girls' soccer, and the Commodores hammered Warwick 6-0. Abby Urban and Star White had 2 goals apiece. Yesterday in the semifinals, Maury defeated Nansemond River 3-1. With the win, the Commodores qualified for the state championship tournament. Now here's Manene in the control room with what's on the athletic schedule.
Thanks, Dylan. Today, Oliver Siegfried and Harrison White will compete in the Region 5A Singles Championship Tournament at Huntington Park in Newport News. Siegfried will combine with Champney Smith, and White will team up with the Ethan Willingham in the doubles tournament. On Friday, the girls' soccer team will battle Deep Run for the Region 5A South Championship. The game begins at 5 p.m. The Division 5A Track Championships will take place on Friday and Saturday at Todd Stadium in Newport News. The girls' team, behind Brooke Stith and Maya Say, should perform well. Back to you, Dylan.
Thanks, Manene. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Finally, under the surface, the 2017 Commodore yearbook has arrived. Students who pre-ordered should pick up the yearbooks during lunches. The 2017 Commodore is available for $60 while supplies last. That's your Commodore News Update for Thursday, June 1st. I'm Dylan B. Spillin. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.